We've all heard the phrase, actions speak louder than words, but nowhere is that truer than in building trust. It's easy to say, I'll be there. It's easy to promise, I'll change. It's even easy to apologize over and over again. But real trust isn't about what you say you'll do. It's about what you actually do, repeatedly, consistently, especially when it's inconvenient. To build trust, follow through, especially on the small stuff. You build trust by doing what you say when you say it, especially when no one's watching. Big dramatic gestures may be memorable, but it's the small, reliable moments that cement trust. It's returning a text when you say you would, leaving the house on time just like you promised, following through on a boundary or agreement, and showing up even when you're tired or stressed. Those moments whisper to others, you can count on me. I mean what I say. That's the heartbeat of trust. Breaking trust, it's saying one thing but doing another. Broken trust usually starts small. I'll call you later. You don't. That won't happen again, but it does. You're my top priority, but work or distractions often step in the way. Over time, even those minor breaches add up to something major. Doubt. And doubt is the enemy of connection. Doubt is antitrust. It's not always about betrayal. Often, it's a slow erosion of reliability, of respect, of safety. Every time you don't follow through, even unintentionally, it chips away at the trust you've been building. What's one area where I tend to overpromise and underdeliver? Is a good question. What's one small commitment I can follow through on today? A great question. The key takeaway is this: anyone can make a promise. Trust is built by keeping them. Want to build or even rebuild trust in your relationship? Go slow. Don't start with big speeches. Start with quiet, consistent actions. This is Mike Sansone with Reaching Hearts, and I'm on a mission to inspire a world where love isn't just a feeling, it's a daily practice. Thank you for subscribing, and if you like this video, please click the like below. And if you want to explore more topics like this, be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Let's strengthen our love, and let's keep building better love muscles. We'll see you in the next video.